Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss an interesting and crucial topic in the world of cybersecurity: ethical hacking. What is ethical hacking, you might ask? Well, it's the practice of using hacking techniques to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses in computer systems, networks, and software applications with the intention of improving their security and integrity. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their skills and knowledge to help organizations and individuals protect their digital assets from potential threats. They act as a security consultant, providing valuable insights and recommendations to help organizations improve their security posture. One of the main reasons ethical hacking is important is that it helps organizations to identify vulnerabilities and threats before they can cause real harm. By simulating real-world hacking scenarios, ethical hackers can test the effectiveness of their security measures and identify areas that need improvement. However, it's important to mention that ethical hacking is not illegal or unethical in itself. It's merely a legal practice that is used to improve the overall security of digital systems. If a hacker is caught engaging in malicious activities, such as hacking into a system with the intention of stealing sensitive information, they would be considered a criminal rather than an ethical hacker. In conclusion, ethical hacking is a vital practice in the world of cybersecurity. It helps organizations and individuals identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses in their systems, thereby improving their security and integrity. By engaging in ethical hacking, we can all contribute to a safer and more secure digital world. Thank you for listening.